last class we have stopped how to convert from regular expression to finite automata. Am I right? Did I give any example of converting regular expression to finite automata? Did I give any example? Yes, no? Hmm? Can you tell me, did I give you any example of converting regular expression to finite automata?
স্যার আমরা রেগুলার এক্সপ্রেশন থেকে ফাইনাইট অটোমাটার লাইক দু একটা এক্সাম্পল দিয়েছিলাম।
Great example. So let's give another example. Let's give another example. So regex to finite automata. What is the regex? Let's give this x. This one. This one. So how many building blocks are there? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So separately we are trying to find out. Finite automata for this. Then if we require, we are going to connect this using epsilon if requires. So what is A union B star? How can I represent this? The first one. So this is the start state, the starting. So this should be the start state. So if I see A, I'll go over here. If I see a B, I'll go over here. As it is a star, so I'll return back using epsilon. And return back using epsilon. All right. So this is the first building block, number 1. All right. So this is actually A union B star. Then what? Then I have to go second one. So this is A. So concatenate with A. Then third building block, concatenate B. Then finally I have A union epsilon star. So it will be like something like this. A going here and coming back using epsilon. This is A star. Epsilon, we need to just stay over there. And epsilon star is epsilon, so don't worry. And finally, I need to concatenate A, and I reach at the end. So this is the final step. This is my conversion. Regular expression to finite automata. This is step 1. This one is 2. This one is 3. This one is 4. This one is 5. Okay. Anything else? Did you understand the solution?
স্যার ফোর্থ স্টেপে একটা এপসাইলন ছিল, ওটা কি আমরা জাস্ট এপসাইলন বলে ইগনোর করছি?
When I reach over here,
Yes.
if I follow this path, I'm going to generate A star, right?
Yes, sir.
And if I directly go from this place to this place, I can get the epsilon. If I don't move any time here, just go over here and directly go over this, then actually I get the epsilon. And epsilon is nothing but epsilon star. Simple.
Yes, sir. We just
Okay.
want to skip it. Yes, sir.
So if I want to take this one, epsilon star, if I only want to take this one, epsilon, then I can just take epsilon. That means I could stay in this state. Then afterwards, moving A, I'm going to here. Okay. But you can also write, you can give a self loop and give epsilon if you want, but that does not make any sense, right?
Yes.
That means you can make a self loop like this one, but that does not make any sense. So it is not better to keep. All right. So let's give another example. So let's give this one. Let's give A B star epsilon, then A star, finally epsilon star. So how many building blocks are there? I have 1, I have 2, I have 3, I have 4, I have 5. I have 5 building blocks. So let's start from here. So seeing A, I should go over here. Then again, A union B star. Seeing A, I can go over here. Seeing B, I can go over here. Then coming back here using epsilon. Coming back here using epsilon. So I get the number 2. This is number 1. This is number 2. Then concatenate with A or epsilon. So how can I do that? Tell me. A or epsilon.
স্যার এ কমা এপসাইলন দিয়ে নেক্সট স্টেপে যাবে।
হ্যাঁ, it is a good solution. দিতে পারেন। It is a good solution. এটা দিতে পারেন। It's a good solution. Epsilon move use করবেন। Fine. Then you reach over here. Then what you are going to do? It is pretty simple. Self loop. So this is 3. This is 4. Finally, B or epsilon. So, what is the catch?
শুধু বি থাকবে স্যার, এপসাইলনের দরকার নেই।
No. শুধু বি থাকবে epsilon প্রয়োজন নেই। আপনি এখানে একটা লুপ দিবেন।
না স্যার, মানে বি দিয়ে নেক্সট স্টেপে যাবে এবং এপসাইলন দিয়ে।
ওয়ান্ডারফুল, গুড। কারণ হচ্ছে গিয়ে যদি এখানে আপনি এখানে a, b দেন বা এখানে একটা সেলফ লুপ b দেন, then what happen? Here, listen. After generating all A, you are going to generate all B. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
But if you give
Yes,
a
sir.
self loop, then what happen? In this case, you can generate B, then you can generate A, which is a wrong thing. So you have to go next step. Good, wonderful. You are catching the point. Then what? Then you have to come back over here again.
Epsilon move.
Epsilon move. And what would be the final step? Tell me. What would be the final step?
Both of the last two steps.
4 and 5.
No. That's I made a mistake. If you come back over here again, then again you can generate A, which is a mistake. So you cannot do this. You are going to generate over here B. Okay. Now what would be the final step? Tell me. Because if you come back over here, then what happened? The problem is after generating B, if you come back over here, then you can again generate A. The same problem retained. Because after B, you can generate A, which cannot be possible. So that's why B should be self-loop over here. But what would be the final step? Definitely it is the final step. Anything else?
But sir, the one before it should be also final step.
Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Because of this epsilon or B star epsilon, this would be also final step. So this is the case. This is the flip. So this is the answer. Good, very good. This is the answer. This is the answer. All right. So it is simple actually. Just remembering the very basic building blocks of converting regex to finite automata, then join. If you need actual epsilon move, use epsilon. Yeah. Now let's go to next topic, which is nothing but converting from
finite automata থেকে রেগে
Yes. Converting from finite automata to regex. Today we're going to study two techniques. In the first half, we're going to study the first technique. In the second half, we're going to study second technique. The first technique is called set elimination method. And the second technique is called Arden's rule. Okay. So let's start with set elimination method. So let's write the algorithm first. Number one. Number one. So what is the first step? Start state cannot any incoming edge. Start state cannot have any incoming edge. Okay. If start state contains any incoming edge, create a dummy start state, connect dummy start state with original start state using epsilon move and remove the start symbol from original start state. It is not a problem. Am I right? It does not change the formation of the finite automata. Do you agree with me or not? Do you agree with me or not? Let's assume something like this. This is a start state. This is a final state. Then it comes back here. Then what happened? This is the start state, it has the incoming edge. Am I right? Some edge is coming. Am I right? It has an incoming edge. This starter stage has an incoming edge. So what we are going to do? We are going to create a dummy start state. Then we join this start state, this dummy start state with original start state with epsilon. Then we do not consider this one as any more start state. This is the final state. That's it. So these are equivalent finite automata. Do you agree with me or not? There's no problem.
Yes, sir.
These two are equivalent finite automata. So step one does not change any formation of finite automata. So this is the step one. Now what is step two? What is step two? Step two is something like this. Step two is something like this. Final state should not have any outgoing edge. incoming. If final state contains any outgoing edge, outgoing edge create a dummy final state, and join the final state with dummy final state with the epsilon move, remove final state mark from original final state. So this is the case. So let's give you an example, something like this. So let's take the previous example. We have modified this way. Epsilon, then this one. Now what happened? The final state, this one has the outgoing edge. It has the outgoing edge. So what we are going to do? We are going to create a dummy final state. This epsilon create a dummy final state like this. We join the original final state to dummy final state using an epsilon move. We remove the final state mark from here, then this is the case. But still, they are equivalent finite automaton. Do you agree with me or not? Any problem? Yeah?
No, sir.
No problem.
No.
If you go to here final state, then actually without reading anything, you can go over here as well. This is my new final state. And I remove this one as a final state. This would be very helpful. Hello? Thing number. Now let's go to number 3. If there are more than one final states, create a dummy final state and join all original final states using epsilon move and remove the final state Mars from all original final states. So let's take an example. Let's think this one. Let's assume this is the final state. This is a final state. This is a final state. So there are multiple final states. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a dummy final state and join all this with epsilon move. And I remove the final state mark from the all other final states, original final states. So it does not change the finite automaton as well, equivalent state, right? Am I right or not? If you go over here, listen carefully. If you go over here, it is the final state. Then if you remove it final state, then if you can reach here without reading anything, you can also reach here. So no problem. And it is the final state. If you can reach here, if it is the final state, without reading anything, you can reach here. So it is the final state. So there is no change in the finite automaton. Am I right?
Sir, if there is like any edges between two final states, are we gonna remove that?
Which one?
Suppose
No,
like
we're not going to remove any edges. We're not going to remove any edges. We're going to create a dummy final state and joining all the final states, original final state using epsilon, and just remove the marks of the final state. They are no longer final states. That's it. We're not going to delete any edges. No changes. Any more changes. So that is the case. Okay. Whenever I'm going to give you example, it is becoming very crystal clear. So this is the third step of the algorithm. Now let's go to the most important step, the fourth step. Most important step, fourth step, which is what? Which is like this. So fourth step. Most important step, this one. So now remove states one by one. Remove states one by one, except my. No, don't say my. Academically, never use the word my. It's a very bad practice. Remove states one by one, except start and final state, and compensate. This is the important word. Compensate the effect of removal. That is very tricky word. So what do you mean by compensate? So what is the meaning of compensate? What is compensate? Compensation. What is compensate?
To make up for something.
To make up for something. Bangla যেটাকে বলে ক্ষতিপূরণ. Bangla, there is a very good word, ক্ষতিপূরণ. So whenever I remove a state, I'm changing the finite automata. Am I right? So as I'm changing the finite automata, I have somehow make up. I have to somehow recover that change so that the finite automata effect does not change, or the formation does not change, or the input-output relation does not change. As I'm removing one state, then what happened? If I just remove that state, then what happened? The finite automata getting collapsed. The whole relation is broken. But somehow I have to compensate so that after removing the state, what we get, before removing the state, what we have, they are equivalent. Is it clear to you? So that's why I say the word compensate. So let's start the steps. Then it becomes clear. So let's start. Let's give you an example. So let's start with very easy one. This one. Very easy one. This is the basic building blocks. So if I convert this finite automata to regex, what would be the expression?
That A union, B union, C.
sir,
Wonderful. There are three straight lines. It going from here to here A, it going to here B, it going to here to C. So we can also write equivalent. It is nothing but A comma B comma C, because same start state, same destination, same start state, same destination state. So we can write this way, and it is nothing but we know that A union B union C from our previous lot of examples. That's it. How about this? So those are building blocks. So how about this? If I write this way, A, B, this is the final state. So what would be the finite automata?
That A concave B.
Wait, now I apply the algorithm one by one. Does start state have any incoming edge?
yes, sir.
What is the incoming edge?
Sir, epsilon.
No, don't consider epsilon as incoming edge. That is the
Okay.
concept. So it is a notation. It says actually without seeing anything, we start from that state. That is a concept. Please don't consider that one as the incoming edge. Please don't. What happens when the machine is closed? It's a good question. When the machine is closed, why I always use this? Because when the machine is closed, we are outside. We don't have the machine. When we start the machine, we suddenly start from here. To make this concept, I always give this arrow and put it epsilon. That means when the machine starts, from nowhere we come to start state. Thus, but this, don't consider this is a incoming edge. This, don't. Okay? So now tell me, is start state is any incoming edge?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. How about the final state? Does final state having any outgoing edge?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Is there more than one final state?
No, sir.
No,
So
sir.
no need to create dummy start state and no dummy final state. Now we are going to remove states one by one. If I remove, so this one cannot be removed. This one cannot be removed because ultimately we do have this two, and the whole expression becomes very simple. So we have to remove this. So if you remove this, you have to compensate. Now, if you remove this, what we are missing? We are missing this incoming edge. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
And also we are missing this outgoing edge. Now, if you remove this, if you make just join these two, then what happens? You are going from here to here seeing A, then from here to here you are seeing B. That means if you just remove this, directly go from here to here, you get AB. Do you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
So this equivalent expression is AB. Done. Now, using this simple concept, we are going to converting everything. So let's give an complicated example. Let's take this. Let's give this one as A comma epsilon. This one is B comma epsilon. B. Let's make it more complicated. A. But this is my final value. Now I try to convert this final automata to regular expression. Okay. If I try to convert this final automata to regular expression, we have to start the algorithm. So what is the algorithm? The algorithm number one step. Does start state has any incoming edge?
Incoming.
Does start state has any incoming edge?
No, sir.
ভালো মতো
Yes, sir.
খেয়াল করো।
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
This is
sir.
incoming edge.
Okay.
This is incoming edge. So we cannot keep it as a start state. So let's create a dummy start state. This is my dummy start state. And I join this dummy start state with this epsilon move, and I keep remain the other things as you said. B. Yeah. So this is my step one. Now, does final state has any outgoing edge?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. How many outgoing edges are there?
One outgoing edge.
2.
Two. Self loop is incoming edge and outgoing edge both. Always remember. So it's a side note. Self edge is incoming and outgoing both. So please remember, it's a very important point. Whenever there is a self loop or self edge, it is both incoming and outgoing because like this, if you consider this, then if you take this one from here, I'm going out. Am I right? From here, if you consider this state, then from here I'm going out. So it is outgoing. Again, if you consider this from outside, I'm coming in. So it is both incoming and outgoing both. So please be careful about self loop. So I have to remove that final state. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a dummy final state here like this and make it final state and remove the original final state mark, and other things will remain same. B comma epsilon, A comma epsilon, B, A comma B, This one is B. Now we are done. Now let's go to step number 3. Is there more than one final state? No, there is only one final state. So skip step number 3. 3 is skipped. Now let's start the 4, the most important part. So let's put it like this. Let's take another page. Let's take another page. Like so. This. Okay. Now we are removing one by one. So which one I'm going to remove? Tell me. Which one I'm going to remove?
The A after first step, step.
Which one we should remove? Tell me.
So
Anyone you can remove. Anyone. You can start with anyone. But if you remove some nodes first, things getting very complicated. Ultimately, if you follow the process correctly, you will get the answer. But if you choose some nodes carefully, then actually your process will become very easier and you will come up with the answer very quickly. On the other hand, if you delete complicated states first, then things become very complicated. It will take more time, and actually, eventually, there is a big chance of getting errors. So, which one I should remove first, and what would be the strategy? Tell me, what would be my strategy, and which one I need to remove first?
Sir, we can
In
start
English,
from left.
if we start from left, this one. If I remove this, then it would be easier. What is the reason behind it would become easier? Why it would become easier? Removing this. In English, there is a folklore rules. Do you know what is folklore rules? Wise saying. Wise saying. What is wise saying? What is wise saying? Old man saying. Wise saying. What are those? What is the meaning of those? When we say old man saying or wise saying,
I mean,
Aesop,
they
you know Aesop? You know Aesop?
Sorry, so,
Yes, sir.
So what is the specialty about Aesop stories?
The morals.
The morals, good. And he is a very ancient guy. And those are very valuable, right? Because he comes up with very good stories and he finally jot down the conclusion of the story in a single line. Those are called old saying, proverb, good saying, old man saying, folklore telling, folklore saying, those kind of things. And those are very useful because they come up with those things, good things with experience. The same things in English, there is a rule that is called Occam's letter. Occam is actually pastor, and there's a rule. And he also reads some kind of treatise, some kind of essay on why you people should follow this rule. So what is Occam's rule? In a very brief, Occam rules is whenever you are trying to solve a problem, trying to find out the easiest if that problem involves many parts. Always trying to solve the easiest part first. And his argument is, if you solve the easiest part correctly, then what happened? At least you solve something in the problem, and that is already solved. So the whole problem becomes easier. Then take the next easier part. This is the toughest part should be removed or solved at the last. That is called Occam's razor. It's a thumbs rule. Wise men say. So in this case, we are trying to remove the simplest stage first, so that we can easily remove those, easily compensate those, and the whole problem becomes easier. But tell me, which one I need to remove first? Which stage should be classified as easier, and which stage should be classified as tough to remove?
The
Simple.
one
It's a
at the
simple.
top. can
The
be
what?
classified as easier.
Which one should be classified easier and which one should be classified as tough? And what is the reason?
Sir,
Simple
the
answer.
top
It's a-
one.
The number 3 has a top.
If you consider the top one is easier, why that one is easier?
Because it has less incoming and outgoing.
What wonderful. That is the answer. Good. So whenever there is one node involves in less incoming and outgoing edges, definitely that is simpler. That does not have any relation. He is an isolated body. And to removing that one is easier, compensating that effect is easier, and ultimately the whole problem becomes easier. So in this case, he is absolutely right. Onu is right. So if we remove this, it seems easier. So we're going to remove this. But please remember, don't spend too much time finding the easier one. And what a way, you cannot solve the problem. You are just trying to find the easier parts. Whatever things easier, just trying to remove them. It seems very apparent that this one is easier. So if you remove this, what we are missing? P comma epsilon. This one is nothing but, this one is nothing but P union epsilon. Then finally we have to concatenate with B. So it is nothing but P. So we are done. So we have removed this. Next, what can we do? Next, what can I do? So there is a straight line going from here to here and another straight line going here to here. This one is A comma epsilon, this one is B union epsilon comma P. So we can easily merge these two straight line. So it would be nothing like this. Start epsilon, this one, this is like this. Epsilon B union A or epsilon. Fantastic. So খুব সহজ হয়ে গেল problem. A comma B and finally this is final step, this is epsilon. This is final step, this is epsilon. Then we have a self loop. Self loop from here to here. And what is that? B. Okay. Which one I need to remove next? I need to remove this one. It seems easier. If you remove this, what I missed, I am missing from here to here B union epsilon concatenate with B, A or epsilon, then finally concatenate with this one is nothing but A union B, so concatenate A union B. So this is the case. Now what? Now this is something like this.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, number 1 এর ফাইনাল স্টেটে স্যার সেলফ লুপ ছিল A, ওটা কি স্যার সেকেন্ড স্টেপে আসবে না স্যার?
Number 1 এর ফাইনাল স্টেটে সেলফ লুপ ছিল কোথায় একটু যদি বলেন।
স্যার
Sir,
নাম্বার 1 স্যার
ওটা
A
একটা
ফাইনাল
A
স্টেপ
ছিল।
স্যার।
ও সরি, ওকে, আমি ওখানে মিস করছি না। হ্যাঁ,
Yes.
অবশ্যই আসবে, অবশ্যই আসবে, অবশ্যই আসবে। থ্যাংক ইউ। আসলে পেজগুলো খুব ছোট তো, জাস্ট মিসড। ব্ল্যাকবোর্ডে লিখতে লিখতে অভ্যাস, so I missed that. And I have actual problem with my eyes as well, so I missed those things, many things. Thank you very much. So it is your duty to let me know. Of course, that will be there. So now it becomes like this. This one, A, F, epsilon, this one, and this one, this return back to here. And this one is nothing but B or epsilon, B, A, epsilon, A. Now we are going to remove what? We don't have any choice. But we have tiny choice, we can remove this one first. So if we remove this one, what we are missing? What we are missing? We are missing from here to from here, then going back to here. Am I right? We are missing, we are coming to here, then using this path going to here. And we are also missing coming back here, then going here. So these are the missing parts. So if you remove this, we'll get, this one is what? Epsilon concatenated with this. So if you concatenate epsilon with something, That is nothing but that thing. We are going to learn those rules later. The whole thing would become like this. B or epsilon, B, A, epsilon, A union B. And if you remove this, then what happened? You get here B. Then again you get this. So, and it means you are going from here, then going back here. Here, going back here. So it is nothing but a self loop. Do you agree with me or not?
Yes, sir.
And what would be the self loop? Getting first B here, incoming edge, getting B, then following this one. It is nothing but B, B or epsilon, B, A, epsilon, A. That's it. Now you can simplify it more if you want, or you can stop over here, whatever you want. Now it becomes very easy actually. So what would be the ultimate answer? The ultimate answer would be, so just do the whole stuff. So there is a path A, there is another path B. So it would be what? It would be nothing but, it would be what? If you make it a single path, then what would be the transition? A
comma.
union, not কমার বলার দরকার নাই, অযথা বারবার লিখবো কেন? A union B, B concatenated B or epsilon dot B, A epsilon, and finally concatenated with A union B. And here we have B union epsilon, B, A epsilon concatenated with A union B. So finally we get the answer. Finally get the answer. If you want, you can make it more, but I don't think so. So final regex would be what? Starting with this one, B or epsilon, B, A, epsilon, A concatenate B, concatenate with what? This one is a self loop. So this should be what? This should be what? Clan star. The whole thing would be a clan star. The whole thing would be a clan star. And finally, this is the regex. This whole part is the regex. Did you get the point? This is the answer. If you have query, you can ask me. Self loop. It is a transition. It is self loop on this state. So you'll start from here. You'll get this. Then finally self loop. The whole thing would be clan star. Self loop clan star, because let's assume B then A. So what would be the regex? What would be the regex? B A star. Same thing. B A star. Same thing. Did you get it? Any query? No query?
No, sir.
Okay, so let's give another example. I think another example is sufficient. Yeah, this one. Let's take this. So how about this? Make it very complicated. So what will be the first step? What will be the first step? Trying to find out start state have any incoming edge or not. There is incoming edge. There is incoming edge. This one is incoming edge. So we are going to create a dummy start state, and this will become my start state. Let's make it more complicated. Let's give it two final state. Now, is final state has the outgoing edge? Yes, it has outgoing edge. 1, 2, 3. And also this one is the final state, it has outgoing edge. And moreover, there are multiple final states. So I have to create a dummy final state. So let's create a dummy final state over here. It will be like this. Then this one would be like this. This one will be like this. A comma epsilon. This one will be like this. This one will be like this. Epsilon, A comma B, B, A comma epsilon, A comma B, A, B. This one should be epsilon and this one should be epsilon. So we are done with step 2 and 3. Now we are going to remove one by one. So which one I must remove first? All of it seems very complicated. So don't waste too much time finding out the complicated edge. I'm just thinking this one should be less complicated. I'm going to remove this. So if you remove this, what do I get? I have to compensate many things. So from start state, seeing epsilon, you have to go over here. So you are going here seeing A comma B. So what is A comma B? A union B. So you are getting A union B, then going here, you can directly go to final state. So you are removing this part. It would be A union B. That is one. There are many more. You might go from here to here seeing A union B. Then what happened? You might go see finding another A coming back here. So what you are missing? You are missing from here A union B concatenated with A. Do you agree with me or not? Not only that one. There are more. You might go from here to here seeing B. Here to here seeing B. Then again you can go to final state. So you are also missing B, directly B over here. Not only that, you might go from here to here seeing B. Then you can see another A should come back here. So it is a self loop. The self loop would be B concatenate with A. Many more things. Anything else? No. We are done. Here to here, here to here, here to here. Done. Now let's join the other ones which are not affected. This one, let's give this one. This one is nothing but A comma B. This one is A. This one is B. This one is epsilon. So we are done. So things very complicated, getting very complicated. Can we somehow simplify it? We can simplify these two. This one and this one, because here the start and the end state are same. So we can simplify a little bit. Start state, epsilon, we are going here. Then here, what is the movement? A union B, A, union epsilon. Fine, it is removed, getting little simplified. Then there's a self loop BA, self loop BA. Then there is another state. From here you are going to A comma B. Fine. Then you are coming back here to here seeing A, here to here seeing B. What else? We have another move here, which is nothing but A union B. This one is the final state. And there is epsilon. All right. Now, which one I should remove? I believe this one would be easier.
Sir, where did you remove the B from the third step to final step? There was a B.
First step to final step. This one too. Oh yeah. Thank you. Thank you. I told you. This page is little. I getting confused. Then actually, thank you very much. Then actually, I should remove this. I don't need to think too much because time is also our enemy. So if I remove this, what I'm missing? I'm missing here. Self loop BA is already there. I can go here seeing A union B. Then I can come back over here. So there is a self loop A union B concatenated with A. Fine. I also miss many things. I might go A union B over here, then I coming back here. So I'm missing here to here, A union B concatenated with B. This one missing. Not only that one. Going from here, here I'm missing. Going to here, here I'm missing. Going to here, going to final state. I'm also missing this. What is I'm missing here? A union B. All right. Then the rest of the things which does not change. A union B, A, epsilon, directly going here, A union B, then also there is a B. Alright. Then which one I'm going to remove? It seems this one. It seems this one. This one is simple. So if you remove this, what I get epsilon, don't care, don't worry. So final state. Final state. So epsilon directly can go to A union B. Then what else I'm missing? Epsilon. So I'm coming here seeing A union B, A union B, A union B, B, concatenated with B, then I'm following this. So I'm missing this. So there should be it's a cell B, A union B, A. Then this one, so there'll be again a self loop. What would be the self loop? A union B, B, A union B, B, then this whole thing concatenate. A union B, A, epsilon. Let's give a bracket over here. And what else? I'm also missing here epsilon going here. So I'm missing this. So what would be the step? A union B, A epsilon. What else I'm missing? What else I'm missing? So going here. Yes. So here, this one is missing. Here, going here. So it means from here to here, I'm missing something. A union B, then concatenate with A union B. And then write down the edges which are not affected. So which are not affected? Direct B, what else? Anything else? And that is A union B. So B, this one. Alright? Now it becomes very easy. Now we can easily do this. What would be the finite automata for this? What would be the finite automata for this? The whole thing can be represented this way. The whole thing would become, let's take another page. The whole thing would become like this. The whole thing, how many self loops are there? BA, this one, 3. So we can write this one. It is nothing but BA union, A union B, A union B, A union B, A epsilon. This one, self loop, the start state. This one is nothing but A union B, A epsilon. Then directly I am going to F, which is nothing but A union B. This one has two moves directly, three moves actually. So it is nothing but B, A union B. We do not need to write twice. Union A union B, B, A union B. Now what happened? What would be the answer? The answer would be the final regex would be definitely this is part from start to final. The A union B. Union, you can come using this. A union B. Let's give a bracket. You do not need to write A twice. Oh, this is concurrent with A. Oh, sorry. This is concurrent with A. So this one is A union B, A, epsilon. Then the whole thing. This one would be clan star. So BA, A union B, A union B, B, A union B, A epsilon. So this one clan star. Finally, it is concatenated with B, A union B, B. So this is the most difficult one. Okay, so remember. So that's it. This is the final regex. So do you have any queries? Definitely, this type of problem does not come in exam.
স্যার ও ঠিক আছে বুঝতে পারছি লাইক উপরের পার্টটুকু জাস্ট রেখে দিয়েছেন রাইট
Yes. So that's it. It takes too much time. So definitely this type of problem might not come. But I have covered that it is possible. Subset cross set elimination method, you can convert any finite automata to regex. And that is the most efficient method. When I will start Arden Lemma, you will see there are a lot of obligations. All right, do you have any question? You can ask me. Any question?
No, sir.
So let's take a break of 15 minutes. Then we'll start again with our discussion. Till then, okay, take some rest, take some biscuit, teas, whatever you want, then come back again after 15 minutes. Okay? All right.